Karen and welcome to Tried and Tested. Today I'm going to be introducing something new on my channel and I should hopefully feature one every month. So it's going to be a subscription slash unboxing video. I still have to figure out what to call these videos, but in case I call it an unboxing video, I just want to tell you all that I have already opened the box and I've seen what all I have received. So I have the Fab bag with me today and this is not a part of their subscription plan, alright. It's called the Quarantessential Fab bag. So there's category A, B and C and I went for option C. But before I start with what products I received, I want to tell you guys that I have already used some of these products so that I could give you my opinion on how they work for me. Okay, so first things first, I quite like the bag that I received and here's what it looks like. I think it's great to take it with me when I'm traveling somewhere, so yep, I really like the bag. The first product in here is this lip balm by Chronocare. It's called Chrono Lips. This lip balm is supposed to repair any damaged, dry or chapped lips. It's also supposed to prevent anti-aging. I've been using this for the last 1 week now and I use it every night before I hit the bed. I think it does a pretty fine job of nourishing your lips and yep, I am happy to receive this in the bag. Also, this is priced at $245 and it is 10 grams of product. So the next item that we got in here was this body wash by Bespoke Bubbles. It is the chocolate and coffee body wash. It retails for $250 and it is 100 ml of product. Now, one of the reasons why I chose option C was because of this body wash. I assumed that the fragrance was going to be awesome since it had chocolate and coffee in it, but it turned out to be quite the opposite. I mean, it smells pretty horrible. It smells like you're bathing in clay. And look, for me, a good fragrance in my shower gel, body cream, or good fragrances in general really matter to me. So this product has been an utter disappointment. So another bath product that we received is by this brand called Shea and it is the pure geranium 100% natural and handmade soap. So this one is priced at $3.99 and you get 75 grams of the product. I haven't used it yet, but I quite like how the soap looks. It looks quite fancy and it has a slight rose scent attached to it. So the next product that we got in the bag was this cleansing water and it's by the brand called Nick. So this is 100 ml of product and it is priced at rupees 440. So generally I don't like using cleansing waters. I have had a pretty bad experiences with the ones that I've used in the past. I used to break out immediately after using them. So I really did not know what to expect when this came in the bag. I've been using this product too for the last 1 week and I must say that it does a pretty fine job of removing your makeup. It also easily removes whatever eye makeup is there, that is like your kajal, mascara, whatever it is, without stinging your eyes. So far I am happy with the product. So another item that we got in the bag is by this brand called Plush and it is sanitary pads. So you get 3 in here. One is a panty liner, one is a heavy flow pad and one is a light flow pad. I don't know how much this is priced at because it's not really mentioned anywhere on the packaging, but yeah, I'm pretty happy that I received this in the bag too. So the second last item that we got in this bag is this pink clay mask and it's by this brand called Twak. Is that how you pronounce it? So this is for $150 and it's 25 grams of product. I had a bit of a funny experience with this face pack. Like the first time I used it, I had jotted down points on what to tell you guys and then I shot this next clip and now I have a completely different opinion. Hey there! So I'm just going to take out all the hair from my face and start applying this mask. Now I've already cleansed my face with a face wash before I started with the application of this mask. And I'm going to keep it on for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. So when I used this the first time, I was all ready to diss the product and to give you guys a bad review. But I'm glad that I used it again because I felt like it did do a great job of cleansing my skin. And it also made my skin feel a lot softer. Another great thing is that I did not feel dry. I usually do feel dry after I use like certain face masks, but that was not the case with this. So yeah, now I am happy, but had I not used it again, I would have had a completely different opinion. So the last product that we got in this bag is this primer by Sugar. This is for around $6.99 and it is 30 ml of product. I've always wanted to buy a primer but I've never ended up buying one, so I'm really happy that I received this in the bag and it does make a difference to the makeup. It does smoothen out your pores and I absolutely love it. I will continue using a primer. And yeah, that was all we received in this Fab bag. I'm still on the fence though if I should continue featuring Fab bag every month or if I should try out some other subscription boxes. So if I total up the price of all these products, then it comes to somewhere around 2,193, and I just paid $5.99 for the bag. Alright, so that completes this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if there's any other subscription box that you would want me to try out. Do subscribe to this channel and share this video and other videos across with your friends and family. Stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.